right. Might have to adjust that to look down a little further, but the other camera in here is going to be pointing right at the door itself. So somebody coming up to the door will be on camera. This will see them coming to the camera, and same with the other side. That's kind of cool. That was so easy! So easy. It's all going to go behind the front section of the bus up there. So let's do the other side. Let's do something on the bus, Justin.
Well, silicone didn't exactly make it. We'll see what we can do.
Dang it! No! Just doing a pilot hole because I can't drill through this very well. So I'm putting the camera up a little bit where the metal's thinner. And then radio installers use this, and there's a few different sizes. This is like a medium sized one. But you just kind of like drill to the whole size you need and then stop. But it's meant for like sheet metal and stuff. You wouldn't try to go through something big with this. But it's really handy. And that's it. While this thing has a rubber gasket on it, I just don't feel comfortable, especially on this curved surface. So a little silicone to take this to the next level of secure. But I just really bummed about what I did to this. It's not as good as it was a minute ago, I'll tell you what. This thing is really goopy now. It's a lot different.
It's a huge mess.
It really is. Like that. Oh, break it again, I'm sure.
How many times are you going to drop that thing, Mike?
Oh, Scoopy. This is going really easy.
Good.
I really want to put one like pretty much dead center right here for like a drive cam. So if there's an accident or something, we have some kind of evidence as to what happened. But on top of that, for security, so it's kind of like a double purpose. I think so. And it's going to actually point down a little bit so people don't try to, you can see them trying to come through the front of the bus, like smashing a window or something. So we had installed initially, there was no video on this. I got a bunch of video, I just never used it. But I installed a whole bunch of, I installed a rear view camera in this thing. And it's actually this right here. And so there's the rear view camera of the bus. And so I was thinking I could just use this as our rear security camera and then not have to run new wires, as well as all these other cameras. So I'll use the video feed from this into the security system and record it, and that way we get the rear stuff and then all the rest of the cameras. So, and then I could hook up to 8 cameras into our little security system here. So we are going to disconnect this and hook up the other one. Maybe. For those of you about to do this, I can't even tell you, you can do this. This is so easy. Like, this is just, we're going to be done and we're not going to have enough video for you guys. Oh, you want to hold my hand?
Yeah.
You got the metal. I thought there would be 4 of these coming out. Oh, there are. Very exciting. Very exciting. So we're just going to change a few things real quick as this comes on, just to get it with the right channels in the right place and so on. I hope it works. Oh, it's looking good so far. There's the inside one. How's that?
It's definitely better down the side of the bus, but now we probably should see how it looks when you're standing in front of the door again.
Right.
Because I'm not seeing the ladder, and I feel like
Right
I should
here.
be seeing the ladder.
Well, actually, I could see all 4.
Badass.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Bus security.
Yeah. We have total control.
Absolute power.
Absolute power.
Living space.
Phenomenal cosmic power.
What about the ROUSs?
Rodents of unusual size? I don't think they exist.
I should do security. This is so easy to do. I do bus installations for security, so bussy people. Pants are falling off.